Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set your timeline to start at 0 in DaVinci Resolve. This is really useful for keeping your project organized and making it easier to reference specific points in your edit, especially when you're working with multiple timelines or collaborating with others. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and let it load completely. Once you're in, head to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see DaVinci Resolve in the menu bar. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Preferences. This is where all your customization options live, and it's essential for tailoring DaVinci Resolve to work exactly how you need it to. In the Preferences window, you'll see several categories listed. Click on User to access your personal settings. This section controls various aspects of how the software behaves specifically for your user profile, making it perfect for adjusting timeline defaults that will apply to all your future projects. Next, on the left side of the Preferences window, look for Editing and click on it. This section contains all the settings related to how your editing interface and timelines function, from playback behavior to default timeline configurations. Now you'll see a section labeled New Timeline Settings. This is important because any changes you make here will affect every new timeline you create going forward. Under this section, locate Start Timecode. This field determines what number your timeline begins counting from. Go ahead and set it to 0. By doing this, you're establishing 0 as your default starting point for all future timelines, which keeps things simple and consistent across your projects. Once you've made that change, click Save at the bottom of the Preferences window to apply your new settings. This ensures that every timeline you create from now on will automatically start at 0 without you having to adjust it manually each time. Now, to update your existing timeline, locate the timeline you're currently working on in your project. Right-click on it, and from the menu that appears, hover over Timeline. This will expand another submenu with timeline-specific options. From there, click on Starting Timecode. This allows you to modify the starting point of your current timeline, independent of your default settings. A small window will pop up. Set the timecode to 0, then click OK. And that's it. Your timeline now starts at 0, making it much easier to track your edit points and maintain consistency throughout your project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.